So Cameron, Cape Nampo 2023.
Yes.
A lot of people understand. Had some interesting questions yesterday. A farmer wanted to know what is the service intervals on the Kubotas.
So on our Kubotas, we will do a service first 50 hours. Would just be a standard oil and filter change on the engine side. Thereafter, every 250-hour service intervals. Up until 2,000 hours or 3 years is our warranty. We would prefer to obviously use the genuine parts, we've heard a few people asking about genuine parts. So, what would your side be on using genuine parts?
Well, it's manufactured by the OEM, the people that build the specific machines, and they give the guarantee and the warranties on the genuine parts. Yes, you get some pirate parts out there. There's a lot of people supplying pirate parts that actually looks the same, but the working inside of the part is not the same. For instance, fuel filters, normal pirate fuel filter, when you have the inside of the filter and you open it up, it's stacked like this, but our fuel filter is rolled up like this.
Yeah.
So there's obviously much more medium inside the filter, which lasts longer, which does the job better.
Yeah, definitely.
Well.
Yeah, and there's a big key obviously to keeping your maintenance up to date. Lower your downtime, prevent obviously when it's harvesting season, having tractors and implements breaking, so it's best to keep up maintenance. Also for resale value, it's very good, I think, to keep your tractors up to service spec. I think keep on using genuine parts.
And the genuine parts also helps with the resale of the tractor.
Yeah.
I mean, if a dealer's got a full service history on the tractor and the parts that he bought from the OEM, I think that will also help with the resale. I also think that a lot of people's got the misconception that OEM or genuine parts is much more expensive than the pirate parts. But if you start looking at apples against apples, you'll see why you are paying that little bit more for a filter, for a valve, for a bolt.
Exactly.
It just lasts longer.
Definitely. Yeah. No, that's perfect. No, I totally agree there. I think we'll keep everything genuine and everything Kubota.
And also, from the Kubota warehouse side, we have a supply rate of about 92-93% on the parts on the first order to our dealer network. And the dealers also, they keep genuine parts in stock. Stock levels is good. They place stock orders once a month with us, so we can see where the stock is from the dealer network. And I'm sure any farmer in any little town in South Africa should be able to get genuine OEM Kubota parts from their dealer.
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, parts are very simple to get, easy to send to. It's very good. Yeah.
Yeah, next day delivery in the normal areas. The Cape, obviously, because it's a little bit further from the warehouse in Joburg, takes about 2 days. If the dealer orders the part before 3 o'clock, it will be in his hands the next day.
Yeah, no, perfect. And especially parts for downtime, we are able to fly them in, get them sooner than waiting so long. So we can bring them in much quicker to eliminate the downtime and get the farmer back up and running and carry on his harvesting and planting seasons.
Yes, we do monthly stock orders from Japan and America on the parts to keep our parts side up, supply rate up actually. But there is the odd 1 or 2 parts that we need to fly in. Japan takes about 7 working days, then the part is in our warehouse and on the way to the farmer to limit the downtime.
Yes, no, that's perfect. No, great.